ABC scored 28%, 36%, 53% marks. B and C passed, but A failed. One of them passed by 33 marks and A failed by 70 marks. What is the passing percentage? Again the same case. So I will do two cases here, A, B and C. This is case 1, 28%, 36%, 53%. B and C, they passed. So he also passed, and he failed. One of them passed by 33 marks. So I will say, let us say he got P plus 33. P is the passing mark. Case 1. And A failed by 17 marks. So he got P minus 17. This is my case 1. Case 2 I will write here. Again I will do A, B, C, 28%, 36%, 53%, correct? Here I assumed B passed, so here I will assume C passed, and this is fixed, he failed by 17%. Now we have to find what is the passing percentage. Very good. In this scenario, the difference between these two is 8%, and actual difference here is 50. So 8 is corresponding to 50. So 100 will correspond to how much? 100 upon 8 into 50. So this way I will get my maximum marks. 4 2s are 25, 2, 25. So in this scenario, my max marks are coming as 625. Correct? Now, if 625 is the maximum marks, A got 28% of the marks. So when A got 28% of the marks, how much did A get? 28 upon 100 of 625 maximum marks. So this will be 25 4s are 25, 25s are 4 1s are 4, 7. So he got 25 into 7 is 150, 175. So he got 175 marks. He got 175 marks and failed by 17 marks, which means the passing marks would have been 175 plus 17, that is 192. So in this scenario, I got my passing marks as 192. Correct? So if passing marks is 192, B must have got how much? 192 plus 33. 5, 9, 3 are 12, 2, 1, 225. So B got 225 marks in this case because passing marks se 33 zyada mila. So this case I think is satisfying the conditions given. But let me see about this case also. इन दोनों का difference कितना है? 28, 38, 48, 20, 25. So difference is 25, which is corresponding to, the difference is 50, which means 1% corresponds to 2, which means 100% will correspond to 200, which means here in this scenario my max marks is coming as 200. If my max marks is 200, A got 28%. So if A got 28%, so 28 upon 100 into 200. So A got 56 marks, but he failed by 17, which means passing marks would be 6 plus 7, 3, 1, 5, 73. So my passing marks in this scenario is coming as 73. But if my passing marks is coming as 73, so B got 36% marks. So 36% of 200. So 200 into, this is I'm calculating of B in this scenario, upon 100. So B got 72 marks. तो पासिंग मार्क्स तो 73 है, B को 72 मार्क्स मिला, मतलब B फेल हो गया, लेकिन सम में तो B पास हुआ दिया हुआ है ना, which means this scenario I will reject. So this is the scenario which is correct. So which means the passing marks is 192 is the correct answer. So we have been asked the percentage. So 192 is what percentage of total marks is what we are supposed to do. So 25 fours are 25, 25s are. So this, I think we have to do a little calculation. So this will be 5, 7, 7 uh, 18, 17, 17, 177.6 something. So 76 into 4, 4 to 28, 30. So 30.4% should be the answer approx. Okay, let's go ahead. So dear students, please connect with me on my WhatsApp channel. If you have any doubts, I'll be happy to solve them, or keep me motivated by subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.